Hello students, in this video we will discuss how to learn coding in 2023. And before getting into the video, I would like to give a small intro about our academy, fleschool, an online learning platform where we help students in upgrading their skills to get their dream job. Students, if you are interested in programming, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and interested to know about the latest technologies and news updates, then consider subscribing to this channel and click the bell icon nearby. And now let's get into the video. Step 1. Find the reason why you want to learn coding. And it may be any reason. For example, some students learn coding to get high-paid jobs. Some students learn coding to solve real-world problems. And some students learn coding to get flexible jobs. So students, it may be any reasons. First, find the reason why you need to learn coding. Because by finding out the reason, you will be strong in your vision and be motivated. As a result, you become successful in the process. Step 2. Choose the domain in which you are interested. Because, as of now, there are various domains in the IT industry such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, web development, app development, game development, data science, and so on. Therefore, choose which domain you are much interested. Step 3. Start learning and practicing programming languages and frameworks which is required for your domain. For example, if you are interested in web development, then start learning the programming languages such as Python, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and so on. Step 4. Most students skip this step and face difficulty in the time of interview process. That is developing real-world projects. After learning programming languages, try to implement it in developing real-world projects. Therefore, by developing projects, you will become strong in your domain. Students, now there are many programming languages because of the development of various new technologies. But still, some programming languages are always the most demanded programming languages. And two such programming languages are Python and JavaScript, because JavaScript is mostly used in web development in both developing front-end and back-end of websites. And another side, Python programming language is used in various domains such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, and so on. Students, we have come to the end of this video. If you learned something new, then like this video, share this video with your friends. And for more videos, consider subscribing to this channel and click the bell icon nearby to always be notified. Bye students, let's meet in another exciting and interesting video.